guys, this is your host again Akshada from DHC New Homes, and as you can see, today we are here at Neelam Supremo present Sakura Tower. Guys, if we talk about the location, this is in Mulund West, and if we talk about the total area, this is in 6.1 acres of land parcel. Guys, they have this 47-story tower in which the first 5 levels are their podium parking. If you talk about the 6th floor, there comes your amenities, all the modern world-class amenities which I'll explain you in the further clip. Then after your 6th floor starts your habitable floors till the 47th tower. Let us just go forward and explore their 2 BHK 657 carpet. Before just exploring the sample flat, I'll just shortly give you detailing of the amenities that they are providing you, along with some connectivity. Neelam Supreme, where dreams meet reality. If I talk about the position you are getting in December 28, to RERA position is in December 2030. And then if I talk about the payment plan, that is your CLP payment plan. So guys, this is again Neelam Supreme as said. Now we are just going to go forward and explore their sample flat of 2 BHK 657 carpet. Let us go forward and explore the sample flat. If we talk about the connectivity and the location, this is one of the most prime location. This falls in Mulund West. If you talk about your Eastern Express Highway, just at 5 minutes of distance from here starts your Eastern Express Highway. Guys, your Mulund railway station is just in few minutes of distance from this particular location. Your LBS Road, Kelkar College, many other schools and colleges, you have your hospitals, shopping malls, in very much close distance to this particular location. So guys, let us just go forward and explore the sample flat. 2 BHK 657 carpet they are offering. But before just taking you to the sample flat, explore their 2 BHK 657 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in the entrance of the sample flat. This right here could be your entrance area, and then you have your living space. Just look at this, guys. This is your sitting area, your center table, and then your TV unit comes right here. And then you also have a 2.5 feet of attached balcony where you can enjoy your tea, coffee, or maybe your evening sunset and morning sunrise with a beautiful view out there. You have your dining space here, and then on my left you have your kitchen space, guys. This is your kitchen platform with parallel kitchen, sink area, along with a dry area given right there. And on my right again comes your common washroom. This is their common washroom. Just look at the premium fittings that they have given here. On my left again, this right here is your common bedroom, guys. Just come in and have a look. This is your beautiful bed space. Comes in with a very luxurious wardrobe, a very long size wardrobe this is, guys. And then you have your side table right here. There's enough walking space again. And let me take you to their luxurious master bedroom. Just have a look, guys. This is again their master bedroom along with a queen size bed. You have again enough walking space. And then let me show you the long size wardrobe again in your master bedroom. Just look at the feet. And then they also have given a very beautiful lamp right here along with the side table, and then have your attached washroom along with your master bedroom. Guys, this right here is your master bedroom washroom, and as you can see, the luxurious fittings that they have along with your master bedroom. Just have a look, guys. This is their 2 BHK 657 carpet. Let us